Fabindia, Home Outfitters, Bowring Brothers, Bouclair, At Home, West Elm, Joss and Main, World Market, Linens and Things, Dot and Bow, Williams-Sonoma, Houzz, Blu Dot, One Kings Lane, CB2, Pottery Barn, Wayfair, Kirkland, Crate and Barrel, Restoration Hardware, World Market, Pier 1 Imports, IKEA, Target. More Target 35 of 157 the best logos in the world, 6 of 45 the best online shopping sites for electronics, 18 of 77 the best iPhone apps ranked. HomeGoods.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.